Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: Vscode and the live server extension. First, open or create a project folder and then create index. HTML inside it. Type. Doctype HTML and a basic HTML, head body structure. This gives browsers a consistent starting point. Once done, save with UTF-8 encoding and make sure the file lives inside the opened workspace so extensions and autosave features work correctly. This initial setup prevents path issues and lets you preview changes instantly. Now you write the markup. Use Emmet, type, and press enter to scaffold a full document. It speeds you up. Add semantic elements like header, main, and footer to improve structure and accessibility. Insert placeholders for CSS and JS with correct relative paths. For example, link rel equals stylisheet href equals styles. CSS and script src equals app. JS defer /script. Make sure to save and watch for Emmet suggestions. They reduce typos and enforce valid nesting as you build the middle of your page. Finish by previewing your page with Live Server. Right-click Index. HTML and choose Open with Live Server. You'll see instant reloads when you save, which accelerates iteration. If something breaks, open DevTools to check console errors and network requests. Missing files usually show 404. Make sure your link and script paths are relative to index. HTML, clear the browser cache, and restart Live Server if reloads stall. This single troubleshooting tip, check paths first, resolves most preview problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.